This is Unit 5, Section 5.2, number 7. We're trying to find 6 trigonometric functions of theta if theta is an angle in standard precision whose terminal side is the graph of the given relation. So I'm going to do B and D. For B, we're giving the relation 2x minus 3y equals 0, and y has to be smaller than 0. So if we rearrange the equation, we would get 2x equals 3y. And then y equals 2x over 3. And this would be our slope. So our slope would be 2 over 3. So since they're both positive, we know we have to rise 2 and run 3. And this will give us line. And we know that if line would follow, it would be 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. So it would be right there. And since y has to be smaller than 0, then we know that our triangle has to be over on this side. So this is negative 2, and this is negative 3. And now we have to find the hypotenuse, so call it x squared equals negative 2 squared plus negative 3 squared. And that would give us x equals root 13. So this would be root 13. And we know that this is our hypotenuse, this is our opposite, and this is the adjacent. Now we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that would be negative 2 over negative 2 over root 13. And this would be the opposite, so root 13 over 2, and it's negative. And tan is opposite over adjacent, so you get 2 over 3, and cot is the inverse of 3 over 2. And cos is adjacent over hypotenuse, so negative 3 over root 13. And this is the inverse of negative root 13 over 3. Now for this one, it says x equals 0 and y has to be smaller than 0. So we have to use our unit circle. We know that this point is 0 and 1. This point is 1 and 0. This point is 0 and negative 1. And this point is negative 1 and 0. We also know that cos theta and sine theta, and that tan theta equals sine theta over cos theta. So now it says that x has to be 0, so we know it has to be one of these two, and y has to be smaller than 0, so we know from this one. So sine equals negative 1, so sine would be negative 1. And the inverse of sine would also be negative 1. Tan is sine over cos. Since this cos is 0, tan would be undefined. And then cos is 0, and the inverse of cos is also undefined. And cot would be cos over sine, so that's 0. I don't really know how those lines got there. I apologize.